How to fund your first rental property in 2026. All right, so boom, right? First things first, what I want you to do is I want you to think about the median price in your area, wherever you live at. What I mean is the median home price. How could you find that? You can Google your city. What is the median home price? Okay. Now, if it's 415 or $400,000, let's say just round off, like say the median price is 400,000. All right, you're gonna need at least 10%. All right, for a down payment, but that's not all you're gonna need, because if it's your first investment, chances are your hard money lender wants you to have reserves and everything else. So, depending on the price of a home, in your area, you might need, if it's 400,000, you probably need around 60K in the bank to show. Now, stick with me. All right, don't give up yet. All right, for those who like, yo, how the hell you get 60K? Just wait on. I'm gonna hold you, right. I'm gonna walk you through it. Now, because the reason why I'm basing this off the medium home in your area, because let's say the medium home is 400,000. Let's say you have you find the property for 180,000 that's worth 300K fixed up. You're in a good situation, okay, with having 60,000 in the bank. All right. Now, for most your hard money lenders, credit will matter, especially for all of your online hard money lenders. All right. Some you gotta have a 620 or better, or a 640 or better for the most part. All right. Now, they're also gonna want 10%. And remember, you might have to pay. You're gonna have to pay for closing costs. So that's why I base off of, if it's 10% is 40,000, have 60,000. Now, some people live in areas whereas the median price of a house is 150,000. So they could get away with just having 25, 30,000 put up in their account to deal with a hard money lender. All right. Now, for those who are not familiar with what I'm talking about, what is a hard money lender? A hard money lender is basically a lender that charges high interest rates for a short period of time. Those interest rates can be anywhere between 8 to 20% or more. All right. And for a short period of time, normally less than 12 months. Okay. And they make their money back. They make their money by lending you money, and it's going to be a all interest payment, meaning that there's no principal getting paid down. It's just the interest for allowing you to, use their money, etc. So now there are hard money lenders that do all 50 states. Okay. I'm speaking to the people who never done a hard money loan at this point. Now, there are local guys who will give you 100% financing. What that means is, if for that house that's you live in an area, whereas normally for the lenders, other lenders, you got to have 50, 60 put up in your account. Well, for them, they're okay with you having 30,000 because they're going to fund all the purchase. They're going to fund all the purchase because you got a good deal. You got that $400,000 house for, let's say 190,000, and it needs 70,000 worth of work. So he's like, yo, listen, you got a lot of equity in this house. It's only needs $70,000 worth of work. Hey, what we gonna do is we don't need a down payment. All right. And you can discuss that with the lender prior to even doing, for even looking for your first property. Because I think if you're looking for rental property, you want to get your financing in order first. All right. How you're going to do that. Now, I know some people are complaining about the 10%. If you do it traditionally in your name and not through a hard money lender, you're looking at 20% down. Yeah, your interest rate is going to be a lot lower, but you're looking at 20% down on investment properties. So this is a better scenario, all right, in my personal opinion. Now, is it going to be harder for others? Absolutely. There's very few things in life where it's just easy for everybody. For some people, math comes easy. For me, it's difficult, all right? So that's how you prepare yourself for your hard money lender. Now, yes, there are some local hard money lenders where they just loan in their market. They do 100%, and right, they don't care about your credit. they don't care about your credit, all right? So you do have those lenders out there, but the ones on the internet, they're gonna run your credit. They're gonna look at your background, make sure everything is okay. And when I say background, yes, some of them will check for criminal. So please keep that in mind. All right. If you got a charge, that doesn't automatically eliminate you. If you got a fraud charge, they might look at that different and eliminate you, but as long as you can explain whatever your charge is. Now, you start with this. To get hard, there's nothing wrong with getting the hard money lender. You get the hard money lender, all right? You fix up the house, okay? And then you refinance into 30-year money. And then from refinancing into 30-year money, right? You refinance into 30-year money. Now you cash flow the property, whatever it may be. But sometimes, let's say if a property is worth 300,000, you bought it for 180, you only needed 20,000. So I want to say 70% of 300,000, I believe 240. I'm just doing this in my head, is about 240,000. So you could refinance and get an extra 40. You know what I mean? And use that to move forward. America was built on credit. All right. I'm not pushing credit. I'm not pushing stupid credit on you. You know what I'm saying? But America was built on credit. Always remember that. You know what I mean? Don't think that we one of them countries that was built on having a bunch of cash. No, it was built on credit. And for the people who look like me, at one point in time, you were in allowed credit based on your skin color. All right? So keep this in mind. You want to leverage a hard money lender. All right. Now, for those who are like, yo, where do I start? I'm going to put a link in the description for a hard money lender to get started to see if you qualify. All right. Now, if you know houses go for 400K on average in your city and you ain't got 30K for 40K, that 10%, then that link, probably you just save the link, put it in your notes on your phone or whatever until you're ready. You know, if you don't got that kind of money, 10% of what the medium house is, all right, well then, put yourself in position. Look into wholesaling houses. I heard, I don't teach this, but I heard you can trade options and stocks or whatever, I get not everybody has a job that's high income earning, so I get it. So look into but wholesaling houses. That's what really transformed my life. So look into that as well. But this is how you get a hard money loan in 2026. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Hey yo, look, bruh, I'm Nasa, aka the real estate guru. I'm not a guru. I'm a doer because I actually do this business, yo. Peace.